Have you ever wondered why some guys have those impressive three-dimensional cap-like shoulders that create a striking V-shaped upper body? It's not just about looking leaner and more athletic. Pronounced shoulders also make your arms look significantly more muscular by creating a clear separation from the rest of the arm muscles. Unfortunately, many men struggle to build meaningful mass in their shoulders due to common mistakes in their workout routines. In this video, we will explore 8 of these common pitfalls and how to overcome them to achieve impressive shoulder growth. Number 1. Incomplete range of motion. One of the most frequent mistakes is not training through a full range of motion, especially during exercises like overhead presses. Next time you're at the gym, observe how most people perform their overhead presses. Often, they don't lower the weight further than the point where their upper arms are parallel to the floor before pressing it back up. To fully engage your deltoids, lower the weight until your hands are at least at ear level, or even lower, until the dumbbells are about shoulder height. This lower part of the exercise is where the delts are most stimulated, while the upper part predominantly engages the triceps. Research indicates that training through a greater range of motion enhances muscle growth. For example, studies show that full squats lead to more glute and adductor growth than partial squats, and full range of motion curls produce more bicep growth than partial curls. Number 2. Neglecting side and rear delts. Another common error is overemphasizing the front delts while neglecting the side and rear delts. This often happens unintentionally, even among advanced bodybuilders. The front delts are heavily worked during overhead presses and other common exercises like the bench press, leading to disproportionate development. Incorporate more side and rear delt exercises into your routine. Exercises like dumbbell lateral raises and cable reverse flies are essential for balanced shoulder development. Strengthening the side and rear delts not only enhances aesthetics but also improves posture and shoulder health. Studies have shown that strengthening the posterior deltoid head helps maintain shoulder joint integrity and reduces the risk of injury. Number 3. Training shoulders at the end of your workout. If you often save your shoulder exercises for the end of your workout or train them late in your session, you're likely not maximizing your gains. Studies have shown that muscle groups trained early in a workout see the most growth. If your routine combines chest, shoulders, and triceps in one session, starting with chest exercises can exhaust your shoulders before you even begin direct shoulder work. To prioritize shoulder growth, consider a workout split that allows you to start fresh with shoulder exercises. For example, combine shoulders with biceps and triceps on a separate day from chest and back. This allows you to lift heavier and focus more on your shoulders. Number 4. Overactive traps during shoulder exercises. Some people feel their trap muscles more than their shoulders during exercises like lateral raises. This can lead to overdeveloped traps and underdeveloped shoulders. Before your shoulder workout, static stretch your traps for 60 seconds on each side. This decreases subsequent trap activation, allowing your delts to work harder. Additionally, focus on pushing your dumbbells away from your sides during lateral raises to minimize trap involvement. Number 5. Lack of progressive overload. Many lifters aim to increase their bench press weight regularly, but neglect to apply the same progressive overload principle to shoulder exercises. Progressive overload is essential for muscle growth, requiring you to gradually increase the weight or workload. Track your workouts and consistently aim to increase the weight or number of reps in your shoulder exercises. Even small increments can lead to significant gains over time. For instance, if you can do 10 reps without reaching failure, increase the weight and work up from fewer reps until you can do 10 again, then repeat. Number 6. Insufficient training volume. Training volume is critical for muscle growth. If you only train your shoulders once a week or do too few sets, you're likely not providing enough stimulus for growth. Increase the number of sets you perform for shoulder exercises each week. A meta-analysis found a dose-response relationship between training volume and muscle growth, with higher volumes leading to greater gains. If you currently do 9 sets per week, try increasing to 12 or 15 sets and monitor your progress. Number 7. Not consuming enough calories. Building muscle requires a calorie surplus. If you're not eating enough, your shoulders won't grow, regardless of your workout intensity. Ensure you are in a slight calorie surplus of about 5 to 8% above maintenance. This is enough to support muscle growth without causing excessive fat gain. A study comparing muscle growth and fat gain with different calorie surpluses found that a moderate surplus maximized muscle gain while minimizing fat. Number 8. Insufficient protein intake. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. If you're not consuming enough protein, you won't see the muscle gains you're aiming for. Aim for about 0.73 grams of protein per pound of body weight daily. For a 180-pound person, this equates to about 131 grams of protein. While you can consume more protein, evidence suggests it won't significantly boost muscle growth beyond this amount. Achieving impressive shoulder mass requires more than just effort. It demands smart, strategic training and nutrition. By avoiding these common mistakes, ensuring full range of motion, balancing front, side, and rear delt training, prioritizing shoulder exercises, managing trap activation, applying progressive overload, increasing training volume, and consuming adequate calories and protein, you can build the three-dimensional, cap-like shoulders that define a V-shaped upper body. Integrate these tips into your routine and watch your shoulders grow stronger and more defined. For a comprehensive plan to enhance your entire body, consider a structured muscle building system that includes personalized workouts and nutrition guidance. Happy lifting! For more insights into the benefits of a healthy lifestyle, kindly join us on the Discovering Hub Sports. What did you think of our video? Please share your thoughts on our video in the comment section below. If you found it enjoyable, we encourage you to spread the word to your friends and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter as well.